What is your name?
My name is Si.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kashmir.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
How old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
Are you a student or a worker?
I'm a student.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
What's the date today?
Today is 3rd June 2025.
Where do you live?
I live in Kokernog.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading and gardening.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 brothers.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Can you help me?
Sure, I can help you.
What are you doing?
I'm studying English.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 987 6543 210.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have children?
No, I don't have children.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is painting.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is 3 Idiots.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What's your job?
I work as a nurse.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play cricket.
How do you get to work, to school?
I go to school by bike.
What kind of books do you read?
I like to read novels.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch the news.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny today.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I have a lot to do.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and meet friends.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't have a car.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
No, I haven't traveled abroad yet.
What is your dream job?
I want to become a scientist.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
How do you spend your holidays?
I travel and visit family.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals.
What's your favorite place to visit?
I love visiting Pahalgam.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is tea.
What are your future plans?
I plan to study more and travel.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy and thankful.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram and WhatsApp.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Do you go to the gym?
No, I don't go to the gym.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
What do you usually do in the evening?
I usually watch a movie or read.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is physics.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I enjoy learning English very much.